It's the SanLorenzo SD96 called Legacy. This is a 2022 here, available in Fort Lauderdale at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. So if you want any info on the SanLorenzo SD96 or any other models, hit us up, yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, yachtspecsdirect.com for all the new and brokerage options from the Fort Lauderdale show. If you want our complete buying guide, that's available at yachtbuying101.com. Again, yachtbuying101.com for the buyer's guide and to get pre-qualified to buy a super yacht like this. Here at Pier 66, the new venue at the Fort Lauderdale show.